Hi there, and thanks for checking out our online tutorial for building your own Teamr storefront. Through this, you're going to be able to sell just about anything you have, whether it's a physical item you're going to ship or an electronic item such as an MP3 or book or file, whatever it might be that you're going to make available for download. You can sell it here. Let's check out how we're going to do that. It all starts right here on the Teamr homepage. Go ahead and enter your login information. Make sure you're signing in as a team leader and click sign in. This will take you to your home page. Only thing you really need to do here before moving on is to make sure by going to the My Account screen and choosing Modify that you are signed up for either a Premium or a Premium Pro account. You can set up a store without it, but you're not going to be able to collect any kind of online payments. Going Premium or Premium Pro allows you to enter your PayPal ID so you can collect payment through your website, and that money will go directly into your PayPal account. Only real difference between Premium and Premium Pro is that Premium Pro eliminates all the advertisements on the site, so you and your users, members of your group, whatever it might be, they don't need to see that. Anyway, make sure you're set up there. Once you are set up there, you just come here to your home page. You're going to choose the group that you're working with. In this case, it's the Sample Wine Club. We have our little logo over here. And you're going to go down here to the Website Manager. Click on Manage, and it will open up the Website Manager window for you. This area here, if you haven't worked with it already, is where you set up your public website. The main Teamr site is where you manage your group. This is where you create a site for your fans, supporters, group members, whatever it might be, to publicly access and view information about your Teamr group. Anytime you want to see what your website looks like, simply click on Open Public Website. It'll open in a new tab, and it'll show you exactly what's going on, which pages you've made available, what kind of articles or photos you've posted, what kind of layout or template you've chosen. All that stuff is available, and more information will be available than other tutorials. But for right now, what you do want to know is that if we were to change something on here, if I was to change it from social outdoor party to a picture of the Alps, I hit Save Changes. I go to that public website. I reload the page. And all of a sudden now my background is a picture of the Alps as opposed to that social outdoor party. Might not be quite so appropriate, so let's go ahead and switch that back. Social outdoor party. Always save changes. Refresh the public site. This is what everyone sees. Really that simple. What you'll notice here is that there is no store tab. This is where anyone from the general public will come, your members will come, anyone who's going to be a potential client, there's no store tab. So we need to fix that. We go to the Website Manager. Under the Layout page, we're going to click on Pages. You'll see here, Store. You can change the name if you want. We're going to keep it as Store. Check that box, hit Save, and all of a sudden we refresh the page and it's visible there on our public website for everyone to see. Now we just need to add some items to it. To do that, we go back to our Website Manager, click on the Store tab, Product Services, that's what we're doing, and we're going to add or edit a category. So we're going to sell some wine glasses, and we plan on selling all different types of wine glasses. So let's create a new category. Add, edit, create new category, wine glasses. Hit Save. There you go. You got a new category. Now we need to add an item. Find the plus sign, create new item. Category, wine glasses. Item name, stemless glass. We're going to make it a featured item, which means that it shows up on the main store page. We're not going to let anyone else in our group sell it. We're going to browse to find a picture. In this case, it's right there on our desktop. Just need to find out exactly where. Stemless, there it is. And we're going to give it a brief description. Glasses for drinking wine. That is all for now. You can probably be a little more creative in your description if you want to sell. We're going to sell them for $10. Current inventory, I have 20 of them. If you don't have a set number, just put a random number in there, but it's always good that you don't outsell your inventory. Custom fields allows you to add, if you're selling shirts, you can add sizes. In this case, we're selling glasses, so we're going to sell glass size. We have small, or we'll call it regular, comma, large. Two options, regular and large. Are there additional costs? Regular, no additional costs. We put in a 0. Large, $5, comma, 5. Always separate the fields with columns, regular, comma, large, 0, comma, 5, and you're good to go. You're allowed up to 3 of these custom fields, and you can choose any kind of shipping options you want. In this case, we're going to offer free shipping, no cost. But if you were going to charge differently for UPS ground, FedEx, overnight, 2-day, whatever it might be, you would enter those fields the same way we did with those custom field options. Separate them by commas, add additional cost down here, again separated by commas. And the last part is if you were selling an item for download, music file, video file, online book, whatever it is, you go ahead and enter the item URL here and let us know how many items each person gets when they pay for it, and we'll give them that many download opportunities. Really that simple. And this last checkbox, make sure it's checked, is that this item is shown on the website. If you ever run out and you don't want to delete the item, simply uncheck the box and no one will be able to see it, and therefore no one will be able to purchase it. Let's go ahead and create this item and see what it looks like. Okay, so there we are. We have a stemless glass. It's a featured item. I have 20 in inventory. It's visible on the public site. There's my brilliant description. $10, large is an additional 5, and free shipping. Pretty good. We should be good to go. Let's take a look at our public site. Store. Refresh. Store. There we go. Don't forget to refresh that public site. There they are. Glasses are available, $10 each. $5 additional if I want a large. Let's get a large one. We'll splurge. Free shipping. Let's get 2 of them. Don't want to drink alone. Add to cart. There we go. $30 total. 2 glasses. Enter my billing information. Check out. All the money goes to your PayPal account. The person can pay with credit card. Really that simple. And the last thing that you might want to do as we get away from that public site is if you have any goals, sales goals. Let's say for the month of April, we want to sell $200. And that would be from April 1st to April 30th. All sales, $200. We're going to make the goal visible on the website and hit create. There we go. We get a nice little chart showing $200, showing we haven't sold anything yet. See the 0 at the bottom. And if I open my public website, you'll notice that my goals show there as well for everyone to see. If you don't want them to show, simply uncheck the box when you create or modify, but in our case we like to have it there. So it's there for you to see. When someone purchases glasses, they'll show up here, they'll show up here, and everyone will know exactly how you're doing in your sales, your fundraiser, whatever it might be. So that's really all there is to it. You've created a store, you've added items, you're ready to go, you're selling them. If you ever had any questions for us, feel free to contact us, support@teamr.com, and we will get back to you in no time at all, answer all the questions, help you with your sales needs. Thanks for checking us out.